right now we're dealing with the busted part of busted to built. So got a little fluid action there, blew a brake line out on old Blackie pulling the old unit down to Holly Oaks this morning. So buddy Mike, he's gonna give me a brake line. He's at the auto parts right now, just a couple miles up the road. I already got the line off and the front bleeders bled. Front bleeders cracked onto it, but a little hold up this morning, so we'll be getting at it late, leaving a little bit of mess here at this nice place's facility here, their little industrial drive. So I had two guys come out already and ask me if I was all right or not, and said, yeah, I got a buddy. So anyways, appreciate that much. I was gonna rob a line off the Tahoe if I had to, but anyways, so we're at this, and hopefully a few minutes will be fixed up.
Little bit of Kaczynski recovery.
Alright, I didn't break the one I planned on. What's up? Hey. Give me a couple minutes and I'll have the built part done. And again? Alright, we're here now. We're all loaded. We're all unloaded. Mike's over here and down real quick. We got the brake line on Blackie fixed. We're gonna give this thing a rundown, see how she does. Got cameraman assistant in the back there. We're ready to give her a whirl. So pretty good turnout here today. Quite a few people, so we'll see what happens. just out here taking a break. Everything's working pretty good so far. Went through this giant mud puddle outfit here a few times and everything fared well. So how's it going, Megan? What are your impressions?
Amazing.
Back seat?
Yes.
Everyone seems to like. So anyway, we had her right down in the water and she's just kind of evacuating now. So, but everything's good to go. Just getting a bite to eat, playing a little football, resting up, and see what else we can do.
It's like perfect holes for your front and rear axle to fall in. You got
Guys, thanks for checking it out, watching the mud truck rip around there. That was actually yesterday. We got her home, got her on the trailer. Didn't have any issues with it that I know of, at least yet. Everything seemed to be working on it just fine. Was very impressed with the performance of everything, so very happy with it. And again, appreciate everybody watching and checking her out. We got some mud on her now. It's officially a mud truck. So the only issue I did have was, not that you guys can see much, the bolts going through the back side of my front flange here. Those loosened up for my front shaft, but I can't really tell you if I tightened them or not to begin with. So, but I do like everything. We got good clearance when we get down in the water and the mud and everything. Nothing's really bothered by it. We got good clearance and everything's just working like she ought to. So very, very happy with that. And hopefully we'll be able to get out there and make some more videos, get some more content, go to some more places. So I'd like to thank everybody again for following along on that, and we'll be back with you shortly. Thanks.